What if next? What if you could print food? Imagine this. You wake up in the morning, ready to make yourself a delicious breakfast. You open the fridge, and it's empty. The grocery store is closed, and delivery will take half a day. Instead of panicking, you pull out your food printer, press a few buttons, and voila! A steaming hot pizza appears, complete with extra cheese and pepperoni. No waiting, no cooking, no dishes. Sounds like magic, right? But what if it wasn't? What if you could actually print any food you want? Let's dive into a world where your next meal comes out of a machine. Let's start with the basics. How would it work? A food printer would use cartridges filled with edible ink, proteins, carbs, fats, and vitamins. Layer by layer, it would combine these ingredients just like a 3D printer. But instead of plastic, you'd get a burger or a slice of cake. Sounds crazy? Scientists are already working on printing chocolate, pasta, and even meat. Yes, your next steak could be printed, not butchered. Now, imagine the possibilities. Craving sushi at 2 a.m.? Print it. Forgot to pack lunch for work? Print it. Hosting a dinner party but don't know how to cook? Just print it. The best part? You could customize everything. Want a pizza shaped like a dinosaur? Done. Need a cake with exactly 37 layers? Easy. Food printers would turn every meal into a creative masterpiece. But let's get real. Humans would absolutely abuse this technology. Forget balanced diets. People would print mountains of fries, rivers of chocolate, and burgers the size of small cars. Nutritionists would lose their minds. Gyms would be packed with people trying to burn off their printed indulgences. And let's not even talk about kids. They'd be printing candy 24/7, turning every house into a sugar-fueled chaos zone. And what about restaurants? Would they survive in a world where everyone can print food at home? Maybe. Fancy restaurants could sell exclusive food cartridges with secret recipes you couldn't replicate at home. Imagine Michelin-starred chefs selling their signature dishes as downloadable files. Want Gordon Ramsay's beef Wellington? That'll be $99.99. Just download the right file for you, printer. Famous pizzerias could offer subscription plans for their menus, letting you print your favorite pizzas at home with all their signature toppings. The most amazing thing is, food printers could put an end to hunger. Imagine sending food cartridges to remote areas or disaster zones where people could print meals on demand. Farming reduced. Instead of raising livestock or growing crops, we'd produce edible ink in labs, cutting down on land use and greenhouse gas emissions. This could have a huge impact on the environment. No need to cut down forests for farms, no more overfishing, and far less food ending up in the trash. But then the main question might become whether food would still feel special if it came from a printer. Part of the joy of eating is the process. Cooking, sharing, and savoring a meal. Would we lose that connection if every meal came from a machine? Or would it let everyone feel like a master chef? So, what do you think? Would you trade your stove for a food printer? Or is this one invention better left in the realm of science fiction? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more wild what-if scenarios. You won't want to miss what's coming next.